other stuff. Today we are going to react to Student of the Year revisit from the Only Desi guy. As I always told you that I'm a great fan of Only Desi Ankit, and I guess his name is Ankit. I'm really not well today. Still I'm trying to record some of the videos I can. I hope I'm able to do that thing. I have a very bad fever, cough and cold and everything. I'm just trying to not able to say things, but I'm just like trying to do reaction as much as possible. Please do bear with me for this particular thing. I'm just doing this for you guys. I'm like really not able to because my videos are over and I have to shoot new things, and for temporary period of time I'm just going to shoot 1 or 2 videos a year and that's so like let's hope for the best. I'm going to react to this particular thing, but before starting the video I'd like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also bell icon, show your name and see updates from me. Links to the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook have description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest me something or give me any feedback or follow me, I would love to hear from you guys. So without further ado, let's start.
A love song जिसे समझने के लिए you have to be in love with उर्दू डिक्शनरी. Oh come on, तुम में से किसी को घंटा नहीं पता कि सुर्ख, सॉस और फैज का मतलब क्या होता है? आधे तो सालों से सॉस वाला लव गा रहे हैं. सॉस वाला
आप में से वो एक ही है जो ये ट्रॉफी का हकदार है. एक ही है जिसकी आगे की पढ़ाई सिर्फ इंटरनेशनल आईवी लीग कॉलेजेस में होगी.
Do you want to get admission in one of the 8 Ivy League colleges like Yale and Harvard? और अगर आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं to meet the admission requirements of 4.0 GPA with SAT score over 1250 and ACT score over 25, फिर तो तुम चूतिए हो भाई, क्योंकि यहाँ सेंट टेरेसा वाले तो ठुमका लगवा के ही एडमिशन दिलवा दे रहे हैं. Student of the Year, directed by Karan Johar, who showed you the college life of कुछ कुछ होता है, college life of कभी खुशी कभी गम, and after this one, you are really gonna ask, यार ये जौहर अंकल कभी इंडिया के कॉलेजेस नहीं देखे क्या? Before she was a spy, before she was an IIM student, she was a cute school girl who said Prithviraj Chauhan is the president of India.
Who is the president of India?
A movie that will remind you of कुछ कुछ होता है. वैसे ही Three Best Friends, जहाँ 2 friends love the same person, जिनके लिए प्यार सिर्फ एक बार होता है.
प्यार भी एक ही बार होता है, बार बार नहीं होता.
मुझे रिश्ते तोड़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता.
And they both do the exact opposite of it. वहाँ भी दादी, यहाँ भी दादी, वहाँ भी बकचोद बच्ची, यहाँ भी बकचोद बच्ची.
Oh my
वहाँ
God.
बात बात पे पोलो स्पोर्ट, पोलो स्पोर्ट, पोलो स्पोर्ट, पोलो स्पोर्ट, पोलो स्पोर्ट. Guess what? पोलो स्पोर्ट. और यहाँ बात बात पे पूमा, 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 पूमा. वहाँ बात बात पे माँ के दर्शन. यहाँ बात बात पे अंग प्रदर्शन.
Oh, nice one.
Like lots and lots of Anga Pradarshan. Is it just me or she actually looked too young for this? It's probably because I'm more into, Barbies. Just kidding. She's pretty cute though. This is
Yeah.
St. Teresa High School. Because India के सभी fancy schools का नाम St. Paul's, St. Thomas, St. Joseph, St. Mary's या St. Xavier में से कोई एक तो होता ही है. This is
Right.
one of the best boarding schools in India. You know what it means. You know what it means. You know what it. अरे इस बार लंदन नहीं गए, लेकिन डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, क्योंकि स्कूल के अंदर घुसते ही लंदन वाली फीलिंग वापस आ जाएगी. ये एक ऐसा स्कूल है जहाँ बहुत सी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज कराई जाती है. जैसे पढ़ाई कंपलसरी नहीं है, नहीं कर रहे हैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अपने स्कूल की यादें ताजा करने के लिए रेडी हो जाइए. बिकॉज स्कूल में तो हम सब बस क्लब जा रहे थे, दारू पी के टून हो रहे थे, गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स खेल रहे थे, कैंपस के अंदर कार चला रहे थे, थाईलैंड के ट्रिप पे जा रहे थे. घंटा इधर एक तो गोवा का ट्रिप नहीं हो पाता है और ये लोग थाईलैंड घूम रहे हैं. बट द सैड पार्ट इज अभी तक सिर्फ इंटरवल ही हुआ है. एवरीवन इन दिस स्कूल इज रिच, लेकिन अभिमन्यु उनमें से नहीं है. वो एक बहुत ही मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से आया है, जो बड़ी मेहनत से सिर्फ रे बैंड्स के ग्लासेस पहनता है, G-Star के शर्ट पहनता है, क्विक सिल्वर का पोलो पहनता है एंड Y3 का बैकपैक यूज करता है.
चाचू वो साइंस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कुछ पैसे चाहिए थे.
Everyone in this school wants to win Student of the Year award, जिसके लिए बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट कॉम्पिटिशंस होंगे, like the treasure hunt, where the task is for you to find hidden Louis Vuitton products in this movie. जैसे Louis suitcase, Louis iPad case, Louis backpack, Louis handbag, Louis messenger bag, even Louis tissue box. Yep, they spent about 9 lakh rupees on shit you didn't even notice. And the dance competition inspired by this video. और इसी दौरान अभी को सुनाया से प्यार हो जाता है, but she cannot break up with Rohan क्योंकि
मुझे रिश्ते तोड़ना
My
अच्छा नहीं
God.
लगता.
and
मैं रोहन से प्यार करती हूँ.
और अक्षनाया को सिर्फ एक ही चीज रियलाइज करा सकती है, that she loves अभिमन्यु, दादी की डेथ.
आपको कुछ हो गया तो मैं आपसे बात नहीं करूँगा.
भाई I'm sure अगर उनको कुछ हो गया ना तो वो भी बात नहीं करेगी किसी से. And after Dadi's death, Shania comes to give him her sympathy. लेकिन अभिमन्यु को उसकी sympathy नहीं, virginity चाहिए. Ooh, and this is gonna cause a fight between 2 best friends. But nobody's gonna blame Shania. But after 10 years, the gay dean has to die alone because gay marriage was still illegal in our country. And now Abhi and Rohan are gonna fight each other again. And the only thing that's gonna stop this fight is
मैंने 100 लड़कियों के साथ और मैं
100? Really?
10 ऊपर नीचे.
Yeah,
Really,
that was
like still nobody's
pathetic.
gonna ask questions to Shania, who clearly cheated on Rohan with Abhimanyu after clearly stating that,
मुझे रिश्ते तोड़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता.
and
मैं रोहन से प्यार करती हूँ.
then acted like it was their fault, not hers.
क्या जानते हो तुम दोनों मेरे बारे में, मेरी फीलिंग्स के बारे में?
That you're a dumb girl जिसको ये नहीं पता कि वो किससे प्यार करती है.
I'm done with the both of you. Just done.
And all this 10 years of shit is going to be fixed after.
मैंने 100 लड़कियों के साथ और मैं
This is like Batman versus Superman type of stupid. दुनिया भर की फाइट दिखाओ फिर आखिरी में
Yeah, right. People who love DC, they might be knowing
But
it.
even worse than that is they're making a sequel of that Tatti. I mean
Right.
Soti. So do not miss to watch. Dance wala, pose wala, jabardasti wala sab. Gucci Prada,
My God.
Balenciaga, पैसे वाला subscription लिखोगे कब?
Oh my
Oh,
God.
hello daisies. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure you give me some
Not
ashirwad
bad.
by hitting that like button. And if you're here first time, make sure you watch other 16 videos on this channel. And if you want to watch the full version of this video, then head on to my IGTV. And I love you all because
मुझे रिश्ते तोड़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता.
Okay, so I would say that with all the videos which I have seen, I guess he has literally put a lot of thought while making this particular movie, revisit actually, because all the dialogues which he said with all pertaining to the lyrics of the song, he actually made it properly. Everything, also which throw back to the Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, then all the previous Karan Johar movies actually. This is pretty old because at that point of time, and at this point of time, Soti 2 is already released, and it's pretty old now. So I'm actually reacting to pretty old version of Revisit. But he did. Sorry. But he did this particular thing. He really did really nicely, I would say, because he took out the few scenes which actually we are not able to see. He actually told us that some lakhs worth of shit we didn't even notice. It was not even necessary. I mean, Louis Vuitton, like box, bag, whatever we you say about that. But I'm not into that much of brands. But yeah, this much of things, like it is like not necessary from the point of view of making a movie. But my God, they have done a great branding in this particular movie. And yes, talking about from the perspective of how college life and school life is, this is not what happens. In one of the interview which I have seen, that people actually asked Karan Johar, why do you make such movies which is not even realistic point of view of how people are there, because in college life it doesn't happen. What he said is, and I quote, that people go to the theater to see something which they have not seen in real life, and this is what he gives out. So, and that's the reason people love it. And some point of time, some level, I think he's right at some level, but you should at least try to match it, because when Siddharth Malhotra is a person who is poor, you can't just give him 9,000 Ray-Ban glasses with branded t-shirt, something like that. Okay, it's like Varun Dhawan might be able to do that, but not Siddharth Malhotra. That might be you might should change that thing. So this was it. This was the reaction. I hope you liked the point of time. I would like to request you to please give a big thumb to this particular video, that I know that you like my reaction. I will inspire more, even do more reaction videos for you guys. Also, I would request you to please click on my channel, the bell icon, so you never see from me. Next day, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest me something, give me feedback, or follow me. Sorry, I would love to hear from you guys too. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. and I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So our next reaction, next review, I would request you to stay connected.